Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'll show you the easiest of easy recipes for glazed carrots. They're almost like candy. I bet even the kids will eat them. Stick around to find out the unusual ingredient that brings this recipe together. Start by peeling 1 pound of carrots. If you don't have one of these Y-shaped peelers, you need one. They make it so much more efficient. And don't toss those peelings. Save them in a container in your freezer for the next time you make stock. Do the same with celery and onions. Next, slice up your carrots. You can cut them into rounds, or if you want to be fancy, slice them on the bias. Go ahead, be fancy. Now this is important. We're not going to be boiling our carrots. If you go boiling your vegetables or anything else other than pasta, I'm going to take your phone away from you and you're going to lose your computer privileges. We're going to cook these low and slow. I'll show you how. It's easy. Quite literally a back burner recipe. 1 tablespoon of butter in a saute pan over low heat. You need to make sure your pan has a lid. Now here's the magic. 1/4 cup or so of ginger ale. Carrots and ginger get along great. It's a classic combination, and the sugar will reduce and help make a glaze at the end. You may need more or less depending on your pan. You just want to barely cover the bottom. Get your carrots in. Season with salt and pepper. A little cayenne wouldn't hurt my feelings either, but think about your family. Stir it all up. Get the lid on and cook over low heat for about 45 minutes. Give everything a quick stir about halfway through. It's almost like we're braising the carrots, and they'll offer up some liquid of their own to steam in. After about 45 minutes, remove the lid and turn up the heat. We're going to reduce this liquid and it's going to form a glaze. You want to watch the heat and stir often because we don't want to burn anything. And that's all there is to this one, glazed carrots. Could that be any easier? Garnish with some chopped parsley. Carrots and parsley are in the same botanical family, so they're great together. This is going to become a go-to side dish for all your family meals. What did one snowman say to the other snowman? Do you smell carrots? If you're enjoying my videos and learning more about cooking, click that like button. Visit my website, southernaccentfoods.com, download and print my recipes, and sign up for a weekly recipe email. If you want some more side dish recipes, click on this playlist right here.